So, I'm Jessica Gamarza and I'm going to tackle about the tracking job cost within the corporate ledgers. And then I'm going to tackle the 14.1 direct material. So, cost in the corporate ledgers, cost flow for through the accounting system. Example, considering that um, the direct materials for the steel mill, which is first the raw materials is purchased from the supplier and placed in the raw materials inventory category, and then second, raw materials is transferred in processing or to the production process, and then third, upon completion of processing, the materials is transferred to the finished goods inventory. And last, customers takes delivery of the product and it's removed from finished goods inventory. So that's four is that was the physical flows of cost. And then, for example, in cost in the corporate ledger, we are going to assume the raw materials that is cost of $10,000 that we buy. And then at the acquisition, raw materials will be increased. When transferred into productions, it will be reduced with a corresponding increase in work in process. And then upon completion, the cost is transferred from work in process to finished goods. And then when sold, the cost moves out of finished goods. And then I'm going to show you later the in a ledger using the T accounts of these raw materials. So first we buy the goods from the supplier where we're going to debit the raw materials inventory, and then credits accounts by viable or cash. And then second, we transfer the cost to raw materials, which is that we're going to credit and we're going to debit the work in process. And then if we finish the process, we will credit the work in process and debit the finished goods. And then we sell the finished goods to a customer. We will credit the finished goods and will going to debit to goods sold. And then so this is the T account showing the flow of $10,000 through the materials, through the various materials inventory that we use in a direct material. So that's all my cover of my reporting, the 14.1 direct materials. And I am Jessica Gamarza. Thank you for listening and watching my report. Thank you.